Hello everybody and welcome back to Mr. P channel. In this video I'll show you something very cool. How you can play PC games on your Android devices and more specifically on a DeX station. Don't go anywhere. So already done videos about Vortex cloud gaming solution and Liquid Sky cloud gaming solution. So there are these two different companies provides cloud gaming for your Android device or for your old Windows device, and some of them provides for Mac users. But there is a third option for you to try, and which this is called Paperspace. So paperspace.com combined with Parsec, remote connecting to the cloud gaming, allows you to basically play PC games anywhere. I'll show you how to set it up and how it's all working and the performance, and I'll try variety of controllers to see if they're actually working. I'm even gonna try Xbox 360 steering wheel and Logitech G27 steering wheel with this kind of cloud gaming service to see if you can play racing games like, well, this is PS3 game, but still GT Gran Turismo or let's say Project Cars if you own that one on the Steam library. I will show everything how it's all set up. So let's start by showing you how to set up Paperspace. Right, what you need to do, you need to go and create an account. When you create an account with Paperspace, you will see nothing here. Right now, as you can see, I have my new machine, but you're going to see nothing here. What you need to do, you need to possibly layout will change the font. Well, they possibly will update this website by as a time of recording, which is Sunday 14th of January 2018. That's how it looks like. I connected, I go to a machines section, click new machine, and now it gives me options to choose between 3 data centers. Obviously, because I live in Great Britain, this one is closest to me, so I choose Europe. Next, it gives me 3 options. Do I want to go with Windows 10, Windows 7, or Windows 10 and license? What you need to do, you need to click Public Templates, and you see here, Parsec Cloud Gaming. You click on that, and when you click on this Parsec Cloud Gaming, you will see a small message popped up saying that due to they trying to basically provide the best experience, they blocking random access to this cloud computer. You need to punch in, basically state the reason why you want this. In my personal, the way I done it, I just typed in saying, hello guys, I own only Chromebook computer and Android phone. I don't have a gaming PC. Can you please let me use your cloud gaming to play the Steam games? And within 24 hours, actually it's about 8 hours, I had to wait, and they replied back saying, okay, no problem, here you go, we grant access to this computer. So that's why when I click on this, I don't have any messages, it's all well and good. And then you, when you choose your server, your cloud computer, you need to choose between monthly or hourly. I suggest to go hourly because come on, monthly, nearly $200 a month. That's not. And let's choose hourly. This is only 45 cents an hour for me to play on this cloud gaming, plus $5 a month for storage. Obviously, you can choose the powerful one, and that's again the similar messages. And then you just state, listen, the P4000 is not powerful enough for me. Can you please give me access to a P5000 or P6000? But for my own personal use, the way I tested, P4000 cloud computer is perfectly for my gaming. Then you need to choose what you want as a cloud storage. Obviously, you have loads of things to choose from 50 gigabytes all the way to 2 terabytes. 50 gigabytes if you're playing the small games. Let's say you want to play Skyrim, maybe Victor Ran, and etc. But let's say if you want to play Project Cars 2, which is alone is about 32 gigabytes game, or if you want to play GTA 5, which is 40 plus gigabytes of game. So choose wisely, choose which one you want. For extra $1 you get double the speed, well, size, and again, well, 50, I chose 50, that's plenty for me. A new machine, yes. Antique auto snapshot. Auto snapshot is chargeable feature. But basically what it does, it automatically takes a snapshot of all your entire computer and makes as a backup. Well, if you know what you're doing, you won't gonna fuck it up. So untick it, then enter your card details and etc. And as you can see here, it's gonna cost me only right now. Gonna cost me $5, and it's gonna cost me 45 cents for every hour I'm gaming. So you set up all this, press create your Paperspace computer, and under machines you will see your computer here, and it's gonna say in red letters provisioning, which is gonna take about 10 minutes. So basically what it does is setting up all your virtual machine and etc. It's creating everything, and when it's ready, it's just gonna say ready. And what you do, you just click on it and it opens up. Did I press click? Hold on. Yeah, as you can see here, it's loading. So let's wait until it's loaded. And while it's loading, let's double check my internet speed just in case, because I want to make sure that I will have enough decent gaming speed. So right now my Galaxy S8 is connected via Wi-Fi to the router downstairs at 5 GHz speed. Here we are 38, 40. Yeah, I should be able to get a decent speed. So that's it. I click on this turn on icon and my virtual computer is starting. So right now let's wait until it starts. Again, it's about 5 minutes or so waiting before it starts. So while it's starting, I'll get set up my controllers. I'm gonna try the Moga Power Pro controller. I will have a go with Xbox One wireless controller, and I'll try the Xbox 360 wired controller as well. So let's undo the cable. So let's put that one here. Obviously, I'm going to try wireless one because it's similar layout, similar input protocols. So that's just going to go down the side. So we're going to try 3 controllers: Moga Power Pro, Xbox One, and Xbox 360. They all charged up and ready to go. And like I said, on some of the games, if I remember correctly, I still have my Project Cars 2 available on my Steam account. If it's still there, that's fine. I'll go and play that game. So right now the game started and it automatically opens my Steam program. Why it does? Because I set up that app to run automatically. But basically, when you're gonna start for first time, you're gonna see nothing here. You won't gonna see Victor Run. You're just gonna see this icon: Blizzard, Recycle Bin, README, icon, Parsec, Steam, and Google Chrome browser. What you need to do, you need to turn off Parsec. You need to turn off the Parsec by going on this icon and clicking right click and do quit. Press quit when you can't see the Parsec icon anymore in this area. You need to go to here and type Control Panel and open this. When you open that, go to uninstall, look for Parsec, select Parsec, uninstall and change, and uninstall the program because you will have the older version. When you've done that, what you need to do, you need to go to your browser within virtual machine. So I'm opening a Chrome browser. Double click. So it's opening the Chrome browser. What you need to do here at the top, just type Parsec Cloud Gaming. And the first link, you go in there. First, what you need to do, you need to click on Login and sign up. You sign up, you create your account, you sign up, you create your username, an email, and etc. When you've done everything, you go back to the website parsecgaming.com and download Windows 7 Plus 64-bit version. When you download that, install it. And when you're installing, you will get a message saying, do you want to install a plugin to communicate with the controllers? Something in this way. Please click yes, because if you don't click yes, you won't be able to use the game controllers to play the game. So while installing Parsec, press OK or press yes on the message where it tells you, do you want to install extra plugins? When you installed extra plugins and everything installed, run a Parsec for first time. So double click and opens Parsec. You log in with the account that you just created. You log in with that, and it gives you a message here at the top saying, do you want to turn this computer or virtual computer into host or client. You go on a gear in the settings, make sure the hosting enabled. So if it says enabled, it's all good, it's all well, brilliant, all working. So close that. So this is the side of the virtual computer is sorted. So you can close everything. Close everything. Now on the DeX station or Android phone, you need to go to your browser and search for Parsec Cloud Gaming. Go inside the page. You see the same page. Go downloads and go to experimental Android APK for Lollipop. Download that. Download that. When you downloaded that, you should get this file inside your downloads folder. I already downloaded, so inside my downloads folder, that's it. That's the file. That's the file downloaded. Before you install this, you need to go to your settings. On your Android phone, on the DeX station, go to your settings, click search and type unknown. Or unknown or a UNK will be fine. Just you get this option, unknown sources. Go inside and make sure this is enabled. Otherwise, you won't be able to install Parsec. If it's enabled, go back to your downloads and click on that and install it. I won't install it because I already have it, but you install this. As soon as you installed, go to your start menu and in here search for Parsec and open up. Parsec runs. For first time, it's going to ask you to log in with your account. You just log in with that account. When it's logged in, that's what you will see. I'm just going to go full screen and click on this weird numbers and letters name. What it does now, Parsec client on Android connecting to a Parsec host on the virtual computer hosted by Paperspace. It's a bit garbled, but I hope you understand what I mean. So let's sort out it this way. So right now, as you can see, I have a Windows computer running, a Windows virtual computer running. So what I'll do now is I'll get my controller and I'm about to start playing. Before you want to play with the controller, make sure you disconnect from a cloud computer, because why you need to do this, if you connect the controller to a DeX station while you connect it to a cloud computer, controller won't work. First, you turn the controller on. Whatever your controller you're using Xbox One, Moga, or wired controller, any controller, game controller you use, make sure your controller is connected first to a DeX station. So if I go to my Bluetooth settings, I can see my Xbox wireless controller connected. If your controller is connected, then go and connect to your cloud computer. Otherwise, don't go and connect. So now it's connected. It's all well. The controller is being recognized by the cloud computer as well. So I open up Steam. Let's go in a big picture mode. And here we are. I'm in a big picture mode. So now I hear the sound that the controller is being like the same sound you hear when you connect something USB to a PC computer. That's why you need to connect controller first before you connect to a cloud gaming. So let's go to my library, and I don't know, let's go Victor Run. Press play, and it's open up Victor Run. So let's have a bit of gaming. Let's increase the volume a bit. So play. Currently, no one's in the house using my broadband, so I should get a decent gaming experience. And as you can see, it's no lag, nothing. It's brilliant. It's streaming quality is better than Vortex or Liquid Sky. That's what I definitely. It's much better than Vortex or Liquid Sky. The streaming quality, no latency. It feels like I'm actually playing at the PC computer. That's how good streaming quality is. Okay, sometimes you will get the pixels and etc. But the actual streaming quality is very, very, very good. I don't know how you managed to pull that off, but it's playable brilliantly. It runs perfectly. So let's go to cloud, exit main menu, and exit again. Yes, so that is Victor Run. Let me check if I have, right, that's the Project Cars 2 and Euro Truck Simulator. Right, let's go Euro Truck Simulator. Doesn't design for control, but all fine. I'm still gonna play it, so I'm running with the Xbox 360, Xbox One controller. So now open up and logging in straight away. Its loading time is brilliant, quality of the streaming is brilliant, it runs amazing, and I'm surprised how well it runs. It feels like I'm actually at someone's PC, gaming PC, playing this game. So no, I don't want to check any news. So use a mouse. Again, mouse is a bit trippy. So let's go click here. Double click. Let's move my recording camera away. I hope you can see the quality of the stream is very, very, very good. I'm really surprised how well it is. So keyboard changing color, changing. Okay, I don't want to reverse. Let's go. As you can see, quality of the stream is amazing. It's very, very good. Let's go. Let's pull up it there. It's not perfect, but it's much better than Liquid Sky Vortex. It's much better. Obviously, oh, okay, I just went through a red light. Also, you can use a keyboard. So mouse look around. I'm using a mouse to look around and a keyboard to steer the truck. Look left, look right. I'm playing Euro Truck Simulator over cloud, and it's very good streaming quality. Very good. I'm very surprised. I'm seriously, it's brilliant. So let's quit this game, and now quit again. Okay, let's quit. So let's exit the big picture mode. So that's it. Now I'll turn this controller off. So disconnected. I'll turn this Xbox controller off just by plugging the batteries, plugging back in. Let's turn the Moga Power Pro controller on, and let's see if I have a connection. That's the one it's supposed to be. Yes, connected, controller connected. I'm connecting back to a Parsec. So yeah, if you want to change the controllers, you need to, I don't know, it's probably just for me. You probably have a different experience, but that's with my setup. For some reason, it wants this to be. Sorry, I feel my phone making noise. For some reason, this is controller changing is not working properly. Right. Okay. Let's open Bioshock Infinity. Let's see how this game runs. I press play, and in a matter of seconds, I'm getting the game running fast. Pure, perfect graphics, and I believe it's a 1080p stream at the moment. So skip all this. So auto saving, press any key, main menu. Already done a bit of gaming on this, so I should jump straight into the game. Guided reading, yeah. I've done a bit of gaming, done a bit of testing of this game running on this cloud. So as you can see right now, I'm playing Bioshock Infinity on my DeX station, and the quality is amazing. No, the quality is brilliant, it's amazing. Let's collect the coins. And the streaming quality, right, so 1, 2, 3, jump. 1, 2, 3, jump. No lag, seriously, no latency at all. It's unbelievable. It's absolutely crazy the way it runs. Seriously, no latency PC gaming on your DeX station. Seriously. So amazing. I'm very surprised the way this game runs on the DeX station, or this actually stream works on a DeX station. So what I'll do now, I tested the Moga Power Pro controller and I tested the Xbox One controller. Now I'm gonna take this Xbox 360 controller and try play with this one. I never tried playing with this controller before, so anything can happen. But anyway, the controller is connected. DeX station made a noise that is connected. So now I just need to connect to my cloud gaming server. Again, right now I can see it's a bit of tricky to connect. Like I said, maybe it's mine, but sometimes I'm getting all these weird connection issues, but it's probably just because of the way I set up. Yours mileage can change. Again, Xbox 360 controller working perfectly, so I can choose the game which one I want to play. So let's say their actual speed. I will show you now the actual speed. So here we are. Let's go try to install and download the Project Cars. So let's go all the way to main menu, download. Right, their computer, which is based somewhere in Europe, currently is, as you see here, 31 megabits per second, 34 megabits per second. It goes all the way up to 60, so 60, 65 megabits per second download speed. It's flying. So as you can see, I'm downloading 36 gigabytes of Project Cars 2 to this cloud computer, and it's taking forever. So while it's downloading, what I'll do now, as you saw, controller is all working, the Xbox 360 controller working. I'll unplug the controller. Let's put the controller down the side. What I'll do now is I'll grab my Xbox 360 So here we are. This is my old Xbox 360 Ferrari Edition steering wheel. I'm gonna clamp this to my table. Picky, but yeah, I will do by here. So that's it. Steering wheel is locked. So let's take the cable and let's plug in the cable in. So now I have the controller connected, and as you can see, I'm pressing the buttons on the steering wheel, but it's nothing happening. So what I need to do, I need to disconnect and connect back in. This way sends a signal to this cloud computer saying, listen, we have a controller connected. Yeah, once in a while you get these errors. This means that I'm too fast trying to disconnect and connect back in. So let's turn everything off and open up again. Yeah, I'm jumping to the cloud computer and in and out too fast. That's what's happening. If you get these messages or for some reason something's happening, you can always go and check what's happening on a cloud computer just by going to Paperspace website. So if you go to Paperspace website, which is paperspace.com, if I go there, it connects to this computer. I need to sign in. Obviously by signing in I need to use my fingerprint and the sensor at the back. Here we are. Biometric approval done. So I'm connecting to this computer. Let's see what's happening. So as you can see, the machine is ready. I click under settings. It gives me a settings, exactly what's running, what's not running. I click open and let's see if the actual cloud computer working. Yeah, it's once in a while it is a bit messier than Vortex. And it's but it's much easier than Liquid Sky. Liquid Sky is a bit, well, it takes longer to do all these things. So yeah, as I can see on my cloud computer is right now downloading the Project Cars 2 and everything's fine. So let me try connect again. So trying to connect again. Here we are, I connected. So now the controller should work. If not, I'm going to use a mouse. So go back to menu, go to a library, go to Euro Truck Simulator 2, press play and try to play Euro Truck Simulator 2. using the steering wheel. So let's see if the steering wheel is compatible with cloud gaming. So all well and good. Where's the mouse? Let me find the mouse. Can you play MC5 using keyboard and mouse? Oh, here we are. YouTube question. I'm gonna find out later. Modern Combat 5, I think he asked. And no, you cannot play Modern Combat 5 with a keyboard and a mouse. What's happened to the game? My game is not running. The game is actually crashed in the cloud computer. You're kidding me. Let's go to Parsec and see what Parsec does. Yeah, as you can see on a Parsec as well. So what I need to do, I need to click on this bubble and say send the signal, which is Control-Alt-Delete. Go to Managers, and let's end task this the Euro Truck Simulator 2. Close that and go back to Parsec. Connect. I'm showing you everything. I'm gonna cut this video. I'm just gonna show you everything what's happening. Just you will know exactly what to expect. Because if I'm gonna start cutting video in bits or pieces, you will think, oh, maybe I'm still hiding something. I won't gonna hide anything. I'm gonna show you as it is, because I want you to know exactly 100% what you are getting into by using one or two or what, like the Vortex or Liquid Sky or this one. While it's loading, money-wise, Vortex is more cost-efficient, because for nearly £9 you get 100 hours of gaming. 100 hours of gaming. Liquid Sky is probably most expensive, and this Parsec or Paperspace is somewhere in the middle. $5 a month for storage, and then $45 for hour of playing. It stacks up when you're playing a lot. It will stack up. Why you don't want to do anything? Let's go to Paperspace. Let's find out why. So Control-Delete again. Task Manager. See, even cloud gaming is something happening once in a while. So close that, close everything. Let's connect again. Let's try again. Okay, now I'm getting error. Oh, that's fine. Go back and open up again. Will it connect this time? Another thing while it's loading, with the Parsec, you can send invitation to your friend who's got Parsec installed on his computer or Android phone, and you can play co-op games while, let's say, server is in Europe, you are, let's say, server is in Germany, somewhere there. You are in Great Britain and your friend is in France, and you both connect to the server in Germany where you can play the game in split screen. It's amazing. Should I try one more time running this game, or let's first of all find out how the downloading happening? Let's pause. Maybe this causes downloading this one, that's what is causing the crash. But anyway, let's press play and press play again. And DirectX. Let's try this way. So let's see if it's gonna crash again. Like again, everything can happen. So like getting logo, all fine. This video is long, sorry about that. I just want to show to you, all of you, how all this working. Okay, this time is enable image spotlight feature. No. So let's open up the game. It's probably because the game wasn't loading. Project Cars 2 wasn't loading. That's why. Newbie error. So steering wheel, as you can see. So driving was okay. This is back button. So if I accelerate. Oh, okay. Need to set up some settings, but as you can see, if you have Xbox steering wheel, yes, you can play this game with a steering wheel, because as you can see, I'm turning my steering wheel and it's all working. So if I click escape and I go to settings and controls, as you can see, joypad, let's choose wheel. Let's choose wheel. Actually, let's do input wizard. Yes, and automatic. Finish. Back. Back. Should wheel be selected now? Or still a joypad? Let's double check. Controls. Let's choose wheel. Let's see if I select wheel, is gonna be any difference. Okay, that is not good at all. Let's decrease sensitivity there, and no, let's move that one there, and let's do sensitivity this way. Let's try. Okay, it's a bit jerky. So playing with the controller settings, you'll be able to set up your gaming computer or this gaming thing with no problems. Yes, I would like to turn it off. And where's the mouse? It's a bit, you see, I have the original mouse and I have the in-game mouse, which is a bit weird to play about. So while I'm gonna do a next thing, let's download this and let's say exit big picture mode and disconnect. What I'll do now, I'll quickly connect the steering wheel. So the control, the one, yeah. This steering wheel has been used and abused so many times. So one steering wheel goes aside, we take another steering wheel, which is Logitech G27 steering wheel. Let's connect this one. So again, by changing controllers, I need to disconnect from Parsec. I need to disconnect, and I need to connect again. So let's get the shifter up. Let's get the shifter, then to the pedals. So pedals underneath the table. This, the USB controller. So as soon as I plug it in, the steering wheel will go in a self-test mode. Come on, here we are. So that's it. It's connected. So open up the Parsec cloud gaming. Come on. It's a bit picky today. Open up again and click connecting. Now I have a G27 Logitech steering wheel connected with the pedals and a gear shifter. So if I go to full picture mode, let's see if it's gonna work. So right now nothing's happening. Okay, let's go to, and it's actually weird. It says press A. Okay, no, not having. So okay, can I use a keyboard at least? Yes, let's navigate to the keyboard. You see, for some reason it goes all the way to the controller, the Xbox or the Logitech steering wheel controller is not compatible to be played online on this cloud gaming, because it's just, the controls a bit messy. I don't know why. Well, it's just not compatible. So let's unplug that. Let's undo these and let's disconnect this. So no Note to G27. It's a heavy bugger. Right, steering wheel back where it was. So I'm back with the keyboard and the mouse. And because I connected, disconnected is all wonky now. So again, disconnect. Close that. Let's take Xbox 360 controller or Xbox One controller. Let's check if it's connected. Yes. Go back to Parsec. Open up. Connecting to Parsec. All fine. Okay, an error. Again, like I said, it's me connecting back and forward is a bit of nonsense. But here we are. I'm in library. Is this done loaded? How long is gonna left? Okay, I won't gonna long wait this one to download, but as you can see, at peak time it would done 57 megabits per second. So it's all working, it's all well and good. Right, when you finish playing, and this is very important, when you finish playing, you need to disconnect from here, disconnect via Parsec, go to a website, paperspace.com, paperspace.com, and this is one of the nuisance that this thing is really annoying me. As you can see, I'm already logged in, so I'll click on the launch console. This opens my console, opens my all the list of my virtual machines and etc. I click on the gear icon and I need to click shut down. You need to do this every time you finish gaming, because if you not do that, your computer will still up in the cloud, will run and will chew up your money basically. You can always do this. After finishing using it, you set up to 1 hour. So after you finish gaming, 1 hour later, you're gonna turn it off. I don't know, I like to do that myself. So come in here, press shut down, and it. So now if I go to billing, it's gonna give me a list of, yeah, I played for 5.2 hours at $45. So 5.2, okay, the keyboard don't want to work out, 5.2 times 0.47. So this, and let's say plus 5. So right now is $7, $7.44 all this gaming was. So close that, and that's it. That was Paperspace and Parsec Cloud Gaming, the best quality available of cloud gaming service right now. So this I'll go definitely with my stream actually supposed to say. But anyway, so Vortex, Liquid Sky or Parsec. Liquid Sky more expensive. Vortex gives you more value for money. Parsec is the best of both worlds. Very good quality at reasonable price. Obviously in Vortex you still can play, and let's say Project Cars 2, I can play this game on here. But the quality is not that great. It's alright, but it's not that great. And the limit of the games or games that they offer, I don't really want to play. Like, I would like to play this Bioshock, but it's not available here. Or like some of the games not very compatible, they're on Android. And well, it's up to you which one you want to choose. There are 3 players now: Vortex, Liquid Sky or Parsec. If you want me to do a comparison between all these 3, let me know in the comment section below. I'll probably do a video about it if it is a lot of people want that. I will compare their loading speed, streaming quality, how much data you choose up on your mobile broadband. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode where I test all the nice things. And I'll go right now answer a question to this guy. Thank you very much for watching, and bye bye.